Hi, it is Broiltech microwave level switch. It is universal and intelligent solution for all liquid, solid and solid powder. It is not affected by conductive and non-conductive liquid and solid. It's also available high temperature module. It's explosion proof, ATX, SIL approval available. Now we check the video one by one. Level switch check with the solid granule. Level switch check with the organic leaf. It is the tea leaf. Now we check level switch with the solid powder. It is a wheat powder. When the light will be on, means it measure the powder. This material also construction cement. Now we check same level switch with the beer. It is not affected by foam, only measure the liquid. It's low viscous liquid. Now we check level switch performance with the high viscous, sticky and pasty liquid. Now we check very high viscous, chocolate liquid, cocoa liquid. Check. Thanks for your time. Thanks from Broiltech.